In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an unsaved redaction in Acrobat Web using Chrome. If you've added a redaction by mistake and you haven't finalized it yet, the good news is that it's still easy to remove. In this walkthrough, we're working inside Acrobat Web in the Chrome browser. And the key thing to remember is that this only applies before the redactions have been permanently saved. Start by opening your unsaved redaction workflow within Acrobat Web in Chrome. Make sure you're looking at the document where the redaction was placed and confirm that you have not completed the final save action for the redactions. At this stage, the redaction is still editable, which means you can make changes before anything becomes permanent. Next, locate the dark transparent redaction placeholder on the page. This is the bounding box that shows where the redaction has been applied but not yet finalized. Click directly on that placeholder box to select it. You'll want to make sure the correct redaction area is active before moving on, especially if there are multiple placeholders in the document. Taking a second to verify this can help prevent removing the wrong one. Once the redaction placeholder is selected, press the delete key on your physical keyboard. That action clears the selected placeholder from the document. If nothing happens right away, check that the box is still selected and that your cursor is not active in another field or tool. The delete command needs to be directed at the selected redaction box itself. After deleting it, take a moment to visually confirm that the placeholder has been removed. This is a good habit whenever you're editing sensitive document markings because it helps ensure the page looks exactly the way you expect before continuing. One important reminder, once you use the final Apply Redaction Save button, those changes become permanent. After that point, the content is no longer recoverable through the normal editing workflow. So if you're reviewing your document and think you may need to adjust or remove a redaction, do it before applying the final save. That's all there is to it. Open the unsaved redaction in Acrobat Web inside Chrome. Click the dark transparent redaction placeholder and press delete on your keyboard to remove it before the redactions are permanently applied.